Welcome to the learning resource on setting up cyber cafe and documentation center as a small business. In this presentation, we cover some of the troubleshooting aspects of cyber cafe and documentation center business. Now, firstly, you should know that what is a cyber cafe and documentation center, how the term cyber cafe is defined. As we go through the provisions of the Information Technology Act of India, the term cyber cafe means any facility from where access to the internet is offered by any person in the ordinary course of business to the members of the public. Cyber cafe is a facility comprising of computers, internet connection, and other computing resources. So, as the owner of cyber cafe, you would be providing services of internet access to the members of the public, and the customers will be paying you for availing these services. Normally, these charges are based on time of usage of internet. A cyber cafe provide internet and data communication infrastructure to the persons. So cyber cafe business involves setting up of internet access and data communication infrastructure. The entrepreneur can set up such facilities in an appropriate space either owned by him or rented. In modern times, we see a growth in electronic services, that is e-services, the cyber cafes as the internet access points or the public interface terminals are becoming a viable business options. Some services like online job applications, online admission form submission, e-ticket booking, etc. are available on the internet. The cyber cafe owner can provide such facilities in his center also. In the business of cyber cafe and documentation center, there is a dire need to properly maintain the hardware in order to ensure the continuity of operation. For example, if the modem is not working, the cyber cafe cannot serve the customers. If the toner of the photocopier machine is out of order or out of ink, you cannot serve your customers. So, there is a need to do the preventive checks, regular maintenance of the hardware employed in your cyber cafe and documentation center. You should ensure adequate protection of computer, hardware, and other accessories by conducting preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is basically a type of routine maintenance. We keep the hardware updated by doing the preventive maintenance and the routine checks. For doing the preventive maintenance, you can prepare a preventive maintenance checklist which can contain some of the checkpoints which you will take care every day with respect to the critical hardware components. For example, you can regularly monitor and check the health of your internet modem. You can regularly check the ink in your toner. You can regularly clean up your systems, etc. Installing a good latest antivirus software is one of the very important aspects for troubleshooting the regular complaints that can come. Even the customers can complain for the regular breakdown or deficient services even when the customers use the pen drive or the flash drives. They can also bring in viruses. You should also learn about latest cybersecurity guidelines and adopt the same as far as possible. These guidelines will keep you updated about the latest security threats for your computer systems, and you can install the antivirus or the anti-spyware programs to keep the business going. In this presentation, we have covered some of the troubleshooting aspects with regard to the cyber cafe and the documentation center. Thank you.